Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Revision assignment Chapter 10 Perimeter and Area Exercise 10.1 and 10.2. Choose the correct answer. First one, find the perimeter of the following figure. So it is a triangle. Add all the sides of this, we come to the perimeter of that. So P is equal sum of all sides. So 12 centimeters plus 15 centimeter plus 9 centimeter is equal 12 plus 15 27 plus 9 36 centimeters. In this 36 centimeter is second option. So second one correct. Find second question, find the perimeter of the following figure. This is also sum of all sides. So we adding all the sides of this, the perimeter will become. So P perimeter is equal 3 meters plus 4 meters plus 2 meters plus 1 meter plus 7 meter plus 1 meter plus 2 meter plus 4 meter is equal 24 meters. In this first option is 21 meters. So option 1. Next third one. Tina want to put a lace on a shape piece of cloth 50 centimeter in a length and 25 centimeter in width. How much lace will she needed to put around it? Here the piece of cloth shape is rectangle. So length is 50 centimeters. Length is 50 centimeters. Width is equal 25 centimeters. So around it means perimeter. P is equal 2 into L plus B is equal to L means 50 plus B means 20 centimeter here is equal to and 75 centimeters is equal to 150 centimeter. Here 150 centimeter is third option. Right, the third option is correct answer. Fourth one, find the perimeter of a triangular park of sides 12 meters, 8 meters and 16 meters. True triangular shape perimeter means sum of all sides. Here also 12 meters plus 8 meters plus 16 meters is equal 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 16 is equal 36 meters. Here 36, fourth option. Next fifth one, given below a 10 gram figure, find the area of following figure by counting the number of squares. So these here counting the number of squares, it is 1 2 that like count all the full square is 1 2 3. Half means 2 added 1 plus 1 means it is half plus half is equal to 1. That like will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So second option 15 square centimeter. Next sixth one, find the perimeter of the following. So it is a shape of rectangle. Here length is equal 20 meters and width is equal 10 meters. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B is equal 2 into 20 plus 10 meters is equal 2 into 30 meters. Here 2 30s 60 meters. In this 60 meters is second option. So write the second one is correct answer. Seventh one, the region inside the boundary of any plane figure is its inside place of this. So for example, see the here given the rectangle, it is boundaries. These are the boundary. What is the inside place of this? What do we call? The inside place of the boundary of a plane figure is called area. So first one is the correct answer. Next eighth one, find the area of figure given below by counting the number of square units. So here given the square units, how many square units means one box, one square unit. The counting the boxes of small squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 square units. Otherwise, another method we have do that. It is a shape of rectangle. L is equal to 5 units. B is equal to 2 units. So area is equal to L into B is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 square units. So 10 square unit, third option. Ninth one, estimate the area of irregular shape given below. So here counting the number of square, one square is small square is 1 centimeter square. So number of, how many number of squares is there? Small squares we have count and write the area of that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3s here rectangle shape L into B. So 5 3s 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 here first option. Next, last one, what is the area of a square form? See that here square shape form here. One small shape of square 1 centimeter. All sides are equal in a square. So one small square means 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Like that, how many squares is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 centimeters. These are 4 centimeters. These are 4 centimeters. These are 4 centimeters. So what is the area of this square? So area of square is equal side into side is equal 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter is equal 4 16 centimeter square or square centimeter. So here that fourth option is correct answer. Okay, thank you.